Good morning, students. So we are again starting with our chapter number 1, integers. I hope you will be studying at home. So last time I told you about the distributive property. Let us start from there only. I told you that a into within bracket b plus c can be elaborated as a into b plus a into c. And the second one, a into b minus c, can be written as a into b minus a into c. Today we will see the verification of this property with some questions. So let me take the first. First is minus 82 multiplied by, and we have a curly bracket here, minus 4 plus 19, and this is equal to minus 82 into minus 4 plus minus 82 into 19. So this left hand side, see, this left hand side is in this form, a into b plus c, and in the right hand side we have a into b plus a into c. Let us see whether the two sides after solving will give us the same result or not. This is the verification of distributive property. So left hand side, because we are having a bracket, we are solving in the bracket. So first of all we will solve the bracket. Minus 82 will be written as it is. One number is negative, other is positive. Negative, positive, so we will subtract. 19 minus 4, result is 15. Greater number is 19 with a positive sign, so we will have a positive sign here, which I am not putting here. If you want, you can put also. Then negative and positive, we are going to multiply one negative and one positive number, so the answer will be a negative number, because minus plus will give us the sign of minus in case of multiplication. Multiply the two numbers now. 1230 minus 1230 is the result of the left hand side. Now I will solve the right hand side. Right hand side, first we will do the multiplication part. Minus 82 multiplied by minus 4. Both the numbers are negative. So negative and negative makes a positive in multiplication. So we have 328 after multiplying the two numbers. Positive 328. Shall I write plus here? Then plus, minus and plus. When we multiply a negative number and a positive number, the sign of the product will be negative. Now multiply minus 82 into 19. So the answer is minus 1558. Now we have one positive number and one negative number. Plus minus, so we have to do minus. Subtract 328 from 1558 and you will get 1230. Greater number is having a negative sign before it, so our answer will also have a negative sign. So we can see that both the sides gave us the same result. So this verifies distributive property. Once again, I am explaining what we have done. We have solved the left hand side by solving the bracket first. Here we have taken one number negative, one positive, so we will do the subtraction and then multiplication. Here we have multiplied first, then accordingly we have solved the numbers seeing their signs, one positive, one negative, so we will subtract and the result is minus 1230, which is same in both sides. Let us take one more question of this type to verify the property. Second, it is minus 15 minus 8 into minus 6. So we can write it like this: minus 15 into minus 6 and minus 8 into minus 6. So this is the second, a into b minus c. Here a I have written here, b minus c. So a into b minus a into c. So first I will solve the left hand side. Again we have both the negative numbers here. Negative, negative. So we will add the numbers. minus minus, so the sign will be minus only, into minus 6. Here both negative numbers, so if both numbers are having the same sign in multiplication, we have the sign of plus in the product, so plus 90. Then again we have minus and minus here, we are multiplying the numbers, so the sign of the product will be positive. Now multiply the two numbers, both are negative, so the sign of the product will be positive. 138, right hand side, again we have positive 138, so both the sides again gave us the same result, so we will write hence verified. This is how we will verify the distributive property. Solve both sides separately. First side we have to solve the bracket first, then multiply, and here we are multiplying and then adding or subtracting as per the sign. Now we will move on to the next concept. Here I am going to tell you the properties of division. We have some properties of division which you must have studied in the lower classes also. Here I am just going to revise the properties. And what are those properties? A divided by A will give us 1. A divided by A means whenever we are multiplying the same number by itself, the result is 1. And suppose if I divide A by 1, then the answer is A. That means if I divide any number by 1, the result is the number itself. Third, 0 divided by A will give us 0. That means if we divide 0 by any number, the result is 0. And last case, A divided by 0, this is not defined. Not defined means we cannot divide A by we cannot divide A by 0, or any number cannot be divided by 0. So these are the properties of division. This is A, don't take it as 0. So once again I am going to revise the properties of division. A divided by A is 1. That means if we divide any number by itself, then the result is 1. Second is A divided by 1 is A. That means if I divide any number by 1, the result is the number itself. Third, 0 divided by A is 0. That means if I divide 0 by any number, the result is 0. And last property, A divided by 0 is not defined. That means if I divide any number by 0, that division is not possible. Now I am going to take the questions based on the property of, this property is called D mass. This is the short of Bode mass. I am not taking the Bode mass property right now. I am just taking the properties stepwise. So first we will take only this much rule. D stands for division, M for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S for subtraction. So now I am going to take some questions based on D mass property to make it clear to you. First question, 19 minus 20 divided by 4. So this is our question. Now how should we start solving the question? What will be the steps in solving the question? Now here we are having two signs. One is negative and other is the sign of division. Now according to D mass rule, first we have to solve the division. Here we are having the division. So first I will do the division. 20 divided by 4, result will be 5, because we know 4 5s is 20. One number is negative, other is positive, so the sign will be minus. 4 5s are 20. Now 19 minus 4, it's simple now. Answer is 14. Question number 2. Minus 8 minus of minus 6 divided by 2. Again, first we will do the division. because according to Demas we have to divide first. Now minus 6 divided by 2. Rest of the things we will just carry as it is up to this negative sign. Now I am dividing minus 6 by 2. So 2 3s is 6. One number is negative, other is positive. So we will have a negative sign with the quotient. Now this bracket is to be opened to know the exact sign of 3. Whenever we have two negative signs together, minus minus, it makes the sign positive. So we have plus 3. Now see the sign of 6, it is positive. 3 is also positive. So add the positive numbers, that means 6 plus 3, and take the negative number, that means 8, separately. Now 6 plus 3 is 9. So 9 minus 8, result will be 1. Question number 3. 16 divided by 8 plus 4 minus 2 multiplied by 3. Now see, we are having almost all of the signs here, plus, minus, multiplication, division, and we know that we have to divide first. So divide 16 by 8 first. We know 8 2s is 16, so the answer is 2. Then plus 4 minus 2 multiplied by 3. I am doing stepwise, one step at a time, one calculation in one step. Now after division we have to do the multiplication. So multiply minus 2 and 3 and carry the rest of the terms as it is. One is negative, other is positive, so the sign will be of negative. 2 3s are 6. Now 2 and 4, both the numbers are positive, so add the same sign numbers. 2 plus 4, answer is 6. 6 minus 6, so the result is 0. Let us take one more question. Minus 20 multiplied by minus 1 plus 14 divided by 7. So again we have the division sign here. So we will start the question with division. 14 divided by 7. Carry the next rest of the terms as it is. 14 divided by 7. We know 7 2s is 14. So answer is 2. Now multiply minus 20 and minus 1. 20 1s are 20. Both negative makes the product positive. So 20 plus 2 and the result is 22. So I am ending the session here only. You revise such problems. Just go through the session once again. Then I will give you an assignment to solve at home. Okay, thank you.